Everybody, what's going on? It's Jay again with Jay Hess Wellness. Today we're here talking about clean drinking 101. A lot of people, as we discussed within the last video, have issues sometimes with excess caloric intake as a result of soda or coffees or multiple things that we buy out and about at a vending machine or through a drive-through or through a 7-Eleven or Circle K or something as we're out for our day. Okay, these calories can build up and build up and build up and build up and then begin to become too much calories for the body. Even though, yes, it's liquid, yes, our body doesn't absorb most of the calories that come in when it's liquid. Liquids process and they're in and out the body extremely faster than solid foods. Yes, all of that is accurate, but still nonetheless, when it comes to just basics with the body, if you're looking to lose weight or you're looking to be healthier by losing just a little bit of weight and balancing out your body composition a little bit better, you have to start with a basic level of a calorie deficit. If you are looking to lose weight, you have to get the body to expend more energy than you're putting back in it. Therefore, it draws that energy from its stores, in this case, the fat, what we're speaking about directly with this. So, if we are drinking sodas, and let's say we have 10 sodas a day, and you have a Mountain Dew and that's 210 calories per soda, and you have 10 a day, you have 2,100 calories of soda. Yeah, your body didn't absorb all 2,100 calories. No, it did not. It might have absorbed 50 to 60% of it, and that's just an offshoot right quick. There's no 100% science backing. I've read that. I've read so much that varies based on the person and this or that. So let's just assume your body's absorbing half of the calories you drink in soda. And you drank 2,100 calories in soda. Body's absorbing, that's like 1,050 calories. I'm not the greatest with math. That's why I give everybody intervals. But if you are drinking that much soda and that much juices and that much extra sugar, and then you're eating and you're not doing anything physical trying to help the body expel those excess calories, your body's going to store them, i.e. weight gain. So for us to get away from that, one main thing I start with all new clients, I like to talk to them about coffee, what they drink in the morning, what they drink before bed, and what they drink during the day as they go through the day. Because usually with most people, I can cut quite a bit of calories really quickly there. So if you're drinking coffee, as I do, Cafe Bustelo every morning, what I do, though, is I use almond milk as the creamer. I don't use regular creamer or sugared creamers or anything anymore, and I use no sugar. I use stevia. It took a long time to change my palate because I was the type of person when I started drinking coffee, I liked it sweet and blonde, just very, very, very sweet and full of creamer. And that's what I got used to. So when I started cutting sugars, it got really hard, but it's doable. It's just one day at a time, one step at a time with it. So try to cut a little bit out of your coffees or your morning routine, whatever you're drinking during then, whether it's a energy drink or something. Let's try to switch it up and maybe not have a blast of crashing caffeine first thing in the morning and sugar. Now, the next thing we're also going to talk about is juices. I know sometimes water can be a little bland. It's water. But let's face it, it's the elixir of the gods. It's meant for your body. Your body's mainly made out of water. You need water. You need to be hydrated in order to be physically active and things like that, one. So definitely uptaking water versus all these other juices are going to be a lot more beneficial for you. Now, our next video is going to talk specifically a little bit more about water and about supplements and how they might be able to work a little bit better for you per your choices. Guys, hopefully this video helped you out a little bit, gave you a little bit more information on how to drink a little bit more cleanly and live a little bit more healthier. Remember, everybody, create your future.